This video will show you how to pull up the missing assignments for students that you have in your study hall or advisory, or even in your class if you want to see what they're missing in other classes besides your own. So once you open up Infinite Campus, you're going to go on the left-hand side to where it says Reports. And when you click on Reports, you'll pull up where you have several options. And you may have used this area before to print like a blank spreadsheet or missing assignments in general, but if you want to see missing assignments for other classes, you're going to click on Flagged Assignments. From there, you want to make sure that you have the correct quarter selected, and then whatever class you want to pull up. So I'm going to pull up my advisory. Once you select those settings at the top, you have some options to include over on the right-hand side. So you can include just assignments within a certain range of dates, so you could do within like the last week, or you can simply select the entire quarter. So I'm just going to select the first quarter. At that point then, I'm going to have included assignments, and that's going to include anything that's missing. So it's really important when you're entering grades that if something's missing, you actually click the M to register that it's missing. Otherwise, this feature doesn't work. Then you can also include score comments. I often do that just because if a teacher puts in there that they have until a certain date to get it done, or if they no longer can do it, at least that's there if it is available. From there, you would click Generate Report. So I'm not going to right now just so that we don't pull up all the kids' missing assignments, but when you click Generate Report, a spreadsheet will show up, and then from there you can just kind of cut the pieces out and give each student the assignments that they're missing. So it's a great feature for study hall and advisory especially.